Hola, me llamo Ladrón.
Me llamo Andrew.
We are here today to help you understand how to compare two things with nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and superlatives. First, we'll start with comparing of any quality. You start with más o menos, then you add your sustantivo, adverbio, or adjetivo, then you add que, and then you end your sentence. Por ejemplo, yo soy más alto que tú. O Mónica habla más lentamente que Carmen. Be careful, because if you include a number, then you need to use de instead of que. Just like this. Hay menos de 20 alumnos en la clase. That means there are less than 20 students in the class.
Alright, next we're going to make comparisons with equality, and there's two types. There's adjectives and adverbs, and there's equality with nouns. First we're going to do adjectives and adverbs. You start with tan, then you add your adjective or adverb, and then you add como, and in your sentence with the noun. So, por ejemplo, el libro es tan bueno como la película. So the book is as good as the movie. Next we're going to compare with nouns, which is similar. The only difference is the tanto, tanta must agree in gender and number. So, you start with your tanto, tanta, tantos, or tantas. And then you add your noun, and you add your como on the noun that is being compared. So, for example, tiene tantos libros como ella. You have as many books as she does.
You can also compare verbs and use adjectives while doing it. First, you're going to start with your verb, then you're going to add tan and then you add your adjetivo in its masculine form, and then you add como. Por ejemplo, Andrew trabaja tan duro como Bob. This means Andrew works as hard as Bob.
Alright, and the last type of comparison is superlatives, which is to show the best of a selection. So, what you do is you start with the definite article, you add your noun, you add más o menos, and you add your adjective, and you end with de. So, for example, yes, Bill Gates es el hombre más rico de los Estados Unidos. Bill Gates is the richest man in the United States. Alfie?
Alrighty. So this is what you need to know. So go home, study up now. That way you can pass and have no trouble, have some ease. You ain't got to worry and it all makes sense. Adios.
Adios.